Did you know almost every home smoke detector contains a tiny bit of radioactive material? Yep, it's completely safe, as long as it stays sealed. The core of an ionization smoke detector is a small metal cylinder. It has vents all around, so air and smoke can flow in. Inside, a short cylinder sits in a plastic frame with metal plates on the top and bottom and a tiny hole in the middle. This cylinder contains americium-241, a radioactive element. It constantly emits particles that ionize the air, creating positive ions and free electrons. Basically, it's charging the air. When a voltage is applied between two metal plates, these ions and electrons move, forming a tiny electric current. A chip monitors this current. As long as there's no smoke, the current stays steady. When smoke enters, the tiny particles stick to ions, reducing their number. The current drops, and the detector instantly triggers the alarm. That's how it knows something's wrong.